Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold an elephant's head. This is a traditional model. I'll be using a 6-inch sheet of kami, and we're going to start with the colored side down. And first we'll make a small pinch mark right in the center here along a diagonal. So I'll bring this right corner over to the left corner, and we're not going to crease it all the way across. We're just going to line those corners up and then make a small pinch right in the middle, and then unfold. Next, we're going to make a valley fold that starts at this bottom corner here and extends out this way. And this edge is going to fold over to that pinch mark. So, you bring the edge over and then start the valley fold right at the bottom here. Make sure it goes all the way to that corner. And then you can kind of roll this around until it's right on that pinch mark. And once you have that in place, then crease it all the way across. Next, we'll fold this edge in to line up with this vertical edge here. So just bring that over, make sure it starts from the bottom point. And then crease that one. And now we can unfold both of those. We're going to repeat those steps on the top half. So we'll do this top right edge. We'll bring that into the pinch mark. Start up at the top. Make sure it lines up and then crease it. And the same thing with the top left. Just line it up there in the center. And crease that down. Then unfold both of those. Then we'll valley fold in half along this diagonal. So we'll bring this top point down to the bottom point. And then crease that one all the way across. Next, we'll unfold that. Then we're going to form a bunch of folds at once. So we're going to form these folds at the same time, as well as these folds, and these ones extending out this way. But these creases right here, as well as on this side, those are going to turn into mountain folds. But this next step is a lot of things are gonna happen at once, but it'll all be on existing crease lines. So we'll just start bringing this corner down on this valley fold. At the same time, we're going to squeeze together on both of these sides, forming these valley folds. Just bring those in. And then as we're folding this down, we'll get to about here, and then we want to make sure everything's folding accurately. Which it should all happen pretty naturally, but if you notice on the inside, these creases here are on existing crease lines. And then you can press everything down. Which I'm going to unfold and show that one more time. Now you can see that those creases have reversed, but when you do it all at once, it just looks like that. And then we're all done. You can feel free to draw some eyes on if you'd like. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for all the future tutorials. But thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.